Hi there and welcome to this Shopify tutorial for beginners. Shopify is an online platform that allows you to create online stores. So you don't need to have any coding skills. You don't even need to know how to manage a web server. All you have to do is create your Shopify account and then you can start adding your product and designing your online store using the Shopify interface. So throughout this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a full e-commerce website using Shopify. So if you're a beginner, this tutorial is for you. And I'm going to put all the videos in one playlist, so you can look at the description to find the link to the playlist. I will add the videos one step at a time. Make sure that you watch them in the playlist if you want to watch them consecutively. So the first step, of course, you need an account. You're going to create a new account and Shopify will give you a free trial for 14 days. And that's the one I'm going to use to do this tutorial. Right. So first I'd like to ask you if you're going to build your store on Shopify, please consider supporting my endeavors. And if you want to go to Shopify using my affiliate link, you can just go using bizanosa.com/sf. So we go to bizanosa.com/sf. And this is going to take you to Shopify. And this is my affiliate link. So if you'd like to support my endeavors, I will greatly appreciate that. So you see, this will redirect you to get the free trial. And to get the free trial, the first thing you're going to have to do is you'll put in your email address and then you can continue from there creating the online store. And we're going to do that in this video. So let's get started. So just enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, just click on Start Free Trial. And then enter a strong password and your store name. So a strong password could be something that has alphanumerics and special characters. Okay, so you can just use numbers and you add special characters within that to make the password strong. And then you give your store a name. Okay, you're going to get a .myshopify link, .myshopify.com store, and you can use that, but you will be much better off to buy a domain name, and you're going to see how to do that in upcoming videos. So let's say for me, I want to create a store that sells menswear, so clothing for men, just t-shirts for men. So if I want to create something like that, I can create something that I will be able to remember. So I can call my store Broader Wear. So that's just the name of the store, and make sure you remember it, because once we get the link, you're going to use that to log into your store, and I will show you how to do that as well. So enter the password and then click on Create Your Store. And I want you to come up here. You'll see that the name of my store has been taken as the link for my store. So if you ever want to log into your store, just copy this up to admin and then save it somewhere, or you can bookmark it. You can bookmark it on your browser. And if you come here, you'll just be asked for the email address and your password to log in. So make sure you can save this somewhere. And then fill in these details. Are you already selling? No, I'm just going to say I'm not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? Yes, I have something to sell. This doesn't really matter. This is just for their own statistics. It doesn't help you in any way. What is your current revenue? It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put that there. Which industry will you be operating in? I'll just put there other. It doesn't really matter. Are you setting up a store for a client? I can click that or uncheck it. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go next. And then you can add your address and all these details. So make sure that you add all the details for your store right here, and you know these details for yourself. So enter them, and then once you do that, click on Enter My Store. As soon as you do that, you're going to get redirected to the Shopify admin dashboard, and this is where you'll do everything. This is where you're going to build. This is where you're going to add the products, design the pages, and so much more. So if you want to design your pages, you'll have to come here under online store. If you want to add products, just click there, add products, and you're going to see how to do all that in upcoming videos. So let me go to my email and see if there's anything that I will need to confirm on that side. If I need to confirm my email address, I'm not sure if that's something I need to do. Let's just see. Okay, so I don't need to confirm anything, but you can see that if you forget the link to your site, the link to your login, you can just go to the first email address, the first email that was sent to you from Shopify. Welcome to Shopify. And then you can click admin, you can click the link, you can save this link. If you go to the link, it's going to take you to your dashboard, or if you're not logged in, it's going to bring the login. Let's just do that in a private browser. Let me open this in a private window. And when I open it in a private window, you're going to see that it will require me to log in. So every time you want to log in, you'll just come in here, enter your email address, and then enter your password, and that's going to bring you to your dashboard. So just make sure that you save this link somewhere in your browser. You can save it even manually on a form, manually in a text pad, and then you can just copy it into your browser every time you want to log in, okay? Or if you can remember the name of your store, you can just enter the name of your store, .myshopify.com/admin, and that's going to log you into your store. So since I will be doing this tutorial over a course of a certain period of time, I will have to recreate the store inside of my partner's account, because under partner's account, I can have unlimited trial period. I won't be able to sell and make any actual orders, but I will have a forever trial plan that I can use to do tutorials. Even in future, if I need to make updates, I will just do that using the same store without having to recreate it, because this is going to expire after about 14 days. This is going to expire, and I don't want this to expire. So I'm just going to recreate this inside of my partner's account. And I do have a video of how to create that. You can find that on YouTube as well. If you need the link, just let me know in the description. But if you're sure that you want to build your store, just start with the free trial, because the free trial is going to give you everything you need, just the same as the partner's account. And this is much easier to use because you just log in straight to your store. So that's it for this part. In this part, you've seen how to set up your Shopify free trial. You can build your store even in 2 days. If you already have the content, the products, the images, basically all the content that you need for your store, if you already have that, you can build your store. Even in a day, your store can be up and running, provided that you're willing to just ensure that you're willing to work and follow along with me throughout in every video. And you can have your store ready in a very short period of time. So the 14-day trial is enough time for you to build and get your store up and running. In the next section, we're going to continue from here. In the next section, let's just do an overview of the dashboard, and I'm going to make it a quick one because most of these things are very self-explanatory. You can just click on them and look at them. That's it for this section. Let's get on to the next section.